Today we're conducting a teardown on these active bookshelf speakers. But first, we'd like to thank today's sponsor, Hychika DIY Power Tools Company. Because of their support, we'll be able to do more quality work when it comes to doing future teardowns. Thanks to their great selection of power tools, that is. Well, let's get on with the disassembly. Wait, is that a Hychika cordless power screwdriver which comes with a carrying box and 36 accessory pieces? Yeah, well, we'll be using it for today's handiwork. The screwdriver has built-in self-lock chuck, rotation in both directions, little flashlight, and the rotation handle. Definitely destroys in comparison to the regular screwdriver we have been using in the previous videos. Before we go on with the teardown, here's a quick look at what else Hychika has to offer. As you can see, this catalog encompasses just about any tool you might need for a DIY project. If you're interested, we'll include the link in the description of this video. Thank you again Hychika for sponsoring today's video, and let's finish up on this speaker disassembly tour. Fall